All right, feel good. Make sure y'all hit that like as y'all coming through, man. Hit that like. What's going on, man? Todd, I already know you was in here. Hit that like. Appreciate it. Y'all coming through. Hit that like. We're going to get 500 dips, 500 push-up. 500 dips, 500 pull-ups today, man. I'm feeling good today. Feeling good today. Just got our power back here in Texas. So we're going to go ahead and get it in, man. Hit that like as y'all coming through. Really appreciate it. And make sure y'all vote on the poll, man. Vote on there. Let me know y'all coming through. Feel good. If y'all can hear me, make sure y'all hit that. Y'all let me know. If y'all can hear me, let me know. Make sure y'all can hear me. Make sure y'all can hear me, man. Make sure y'all say what's up as y'all coming through. Real Make It Poodle. Say what's up to Teddy. Y'all coming through. Teddy, say what's up. Say what's up, man. Say what's up, man. Make sure y'all vote as y'all coming through. You can hear me? All right, cool. Y'all can hear me. That's all I want to make sure. If y'all coming through. What we doing today? 500 dips, 500 pushes. I'm going to do 10 sets. As many as we can before it gets too dark. I'm going to run with 25 pull-ups and 25 dips. Back forth, back forth, back forth. Review. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? Ah. So them, we break it up on the 25 pulls. We're going to do, I like to switch it up because I want to hit different parts of my back. So make sure y'all doing what y'all got to do, man. Hit that like. So on the pulls, I'm doing 25 each set. But what I'm doing on the pull-ups, I'm doing a little bit wider so I can get them lats. I do behind the neck so I can go ahead and get them rear delts, some traps, and go ahead and hit still that back on there, of course. And then I'm going ahead and doing the chins so I can get a little bit of biceps and getting that back in there. So we like to push them up every single time that we go ahead and do the pull-ups. You know, just to, in between, you know, you want to hit every part of the back. You know, you want it to grow. So we're in the dips now. We're on the first set, 500 of them. 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. That look good. That's the first set of 500. So what we're gonna do, we break them up. We're gonna do 10 sets, 50 each set. 50 times 10. If you do the math, that ought to be 500. If you can't do the math, get a calculator. If you can't do that, go back to school because your parents didn't know how to teach you how to do math. Say what's up, man. Y'all coming through? You know, like, hey, what's good? I defend on food stamps. Bro, give me that salute. I defend on food stamps. I like your profile. How you feeling? Oh, it's not alive. Hold on. Everybody be quiet. Mean Green Skateboarding has just entered the building. How you been, Mean Green? How you been? I know I ain't been interacting on the lives for a while, Mean Green, because electricity been out here out in Texas, and I've been working. I apologize, and I've been right in my zone. I've been in my zone, Mean Green. So some of the lives I don't be talking, but today I wanted to come and chat with you guys, man. I've been in my zone and wanted to just, you know, do my own thing and just talk. But today I'm saying what's up to you guys, man. So I appreciate you, man. Really appreciate it. Hit that like as y'all coming through. We got 4 people and 3 likes. I know. Working a lot of hours, I know, man. You working a lot too, Mean Green? Are you asking me or you been working? Because I know you've been probably getting that money. I know you, Mean Green. Let's go ahead and we're going to go set 2. We already got 50 down. We got 9 more sets. Let's get it. Behind the neck. So we do 10, and then we're going to go ahead and switch. So we do 10. If y'all just coming through,